Hi everyone, Tanya Nyack here, FrogTape brand spokesperson. The third annual FrogTape Paintover Challenge is here. Last year's room makeovers were so remarkable, we can't wait to see this year's come to life. We chose 6 influential bloggers to compete to redesign a room using $1,000 and FrogTape brand painter's tape. And they are Chris and Julia, Chris Loves Julia, Haneen, Haneen's Haven, Ashley and Jamin, The Handmade Home, Brooke, All Things Thrifty, Kim and Scott, Yellow Brick Home, and Ursula, Homemade by Carmona. Each blogger is assigned a 2018 FrogTape design trend created by me. Vote for your favorite room makeover May 21st through June 1st. Voting enters you for the chance to win FrogTape product along with a $1,000 Visa gift card so that you can kickstart your own room redesign. The winner of the Paintover Challenge will be announced on June 12th and will select a charity of their choice to donate $10,000 on behalf of FrogTape and their blog. Visit FrogTapePaintoverChallenge.com to view official rules and track the blogger's progress. Happy blogging and happy redesign!